In freight, things don't go wrong when everything's fine. They go wrong when a truck doesn't show up, when your shipment is late, when something gets damaged and no one picks up the phone. By the time that happens, it's too late to start vetting who you hired. Before you book that broker or carrier, what should you be asking, checking, and confirming? What separates the professionals from the fly by night operators? Just because someone sounds confident doesn't mean they're legit. You should be asking for MC numbers, DOT numbers, proof of insurance, and freight broker bonds. Don't just take their word for it. Verifying uses FMCSA's safer system. If they hesitate to send it or can't explain it clearly, that's a red flag. If you're working with a freight broker, ask how they vet their carriers. A good broker doesn't just take the first available truck. They should verify active authority, check safety ratings, confirm insurance is current, and look at past performance. If your broker doesn't have a process, they're gambling with your freight and your reputation. How do they communicate? Ask questions such as: will I get proactive updates? Who's my point of contact? How are issues escalated? Do you track in real time? The best brokers and carriers don't disappear after booking. They stay in touch and solve problems before you notice them. If you feel like you're chasing them just to get answers up front, that won't magically improve after pickup. Freight isn't one size fits all. Ask: have you handled my type of freight before? What kind of clients do you typically work with? Can you walk me through a recent shipment like mine? If you're shipping medical equipment, high value goods, or anything time sensitive, experience matters more than anything else. When things go sideways, you want someone who's seen it before and fixed it. You'd be surprised how many people skip insurance and liability coverage. Carriers should carry cargo insurance, general liability, and auto liability. Your broker should be able to walk you through who's responsible if something's going wrong. If you hear, we'll figure it out later, that's a problem. Ask now, not after there's damage. Here's the big thing to pay attention to. What a freight broker asks you. A professional broker or carrier will ask, what's being shipped? Does it require special equipment? Are there time constraints? What's the pickup and drop off environment like? Why? Because they want to do it right. If all they care about is what's the zip code and when can I grab it, they're not planning, they're guessing. You'll be the one paying for that guess later. There's no shortage of people in this industry who will just say yes to book a load. The brokers and carriers who stick around, the ones who earn repeat business, welcome your questions, show their work, and put your freight first. So vet early, ask clearly, and don't ignore the red flags. If you want a partner who's already doing that homework for you, that's where I come in.